Hey you guys, EsiK the Homesteaddah here. I hope everyone is doing well. All right, you guys. It's time for me to start bringing you guys some updates. We still have some little things that need to be done in the home renovations, but pretty much we're at the finish line. So I am trying to get caught up with you guys on the homestead. I came out and started getting my trees fertilized, but I am late with getting them ready. But I can see that they are budding. So over here um, is the moon glow pear, and you can see she is forming her buds already. She's ready to start pushing them out. So I went to every tree and dug a hole with a stick, and I deposited my Job's fertilizer sticks for citrus trees, um, and just fruit trees in general. So what you want to do is focus on your directions that's on your package. Also, a pretty neat trick is to look up how the circumference of your tree is, and whatever how far she comes out, that's how much you will sprinkle if you're dealing with powdered slow release fertilizer. And this will give you the amount of space that you need to come down and sprinkle your tree fertilizer. But I prefer to use the sticks. I get my sons to just dig the holes, and I just drop the sticks in and actually just press them down like so, and just kind of cover them up to where the wildlife can't get to them. And again, go according to how big your tree is and how the directions are. As far as this one, I'm actually going to give this one 2 stakes. And then I had moved down to Uncle Ed. There's Uncle Ed, you guys, that persimmon over here. And I'm actually just going to give him one. And as you can see, it's there already. So again, I just come through, press down on it, cover it up. I may even sprinkle some compost around each one of my trees. That would be good too if you want to do that. Okay. So we did have a casualty on Homestead, and this one was another pear. And I don't know what happened, got snapped off or whatever, but that happened. So we had a casualty here. And then this one here, I forgot which one this is, you guys. I have to definitely do better at my labeling of the trees. But I think it's down in that the what you call it, the sewage pipe thing that I got around there, the protection that I have around there. So again, there's a stake right there, and I will press on that one, snug it in there real good, and then cover it up. We've been having lots and lots of rain all week, so the ground is soft. So when the ground is soft, it's a good time to do the stakes, if that's what you prefer to do. And also, if you want to do slow release powder form fertilizer, that is great as well. So this one here is, which tree is this? Okay, this is the multi-grafted cherry tree, and she's looking like she's ready to take off. She did very well over last season, and as you can see, she is budding as well. I definitely want to give my trees a good rinse of some what they call them, a tree bath and things of that nature, where you just spray them down with some soap and water and some neem oil or some peppermint, depending on what you like to use. So we could just get them really cleaned off and make sure we get all the critters that's trying to survive in your tree. So you want to be mindful of that, giving your tree a tree bath. So I would go around probably tomorrow. It's supposed to be about mid-50s when it's warmer, and do that. But again, here's another stake, and I will just press that down. ground is real soft right now, so I can actually use my heel to do even better. Yep, she in there. See how soft it is from all that rain. Just covering them up like so. And this one here is another persimmon, and she is budding as well. She's small, but she's budding as well. So again, the stake is already there. Get in there. And this one over here is the multi-grafted apple tree. And this is the one that was looking so beautiful since I gotten her. Now this one I focus on giving her 3 stakes because of the size of her. And you can see how far out she comes out. So you want to focus on how far your tree come out. And that's where you want to focus on dropping your fertilizer, going all the way around the tree. So I gave her 3 sticks. She has 3 sticks. And that's the apple tree. Shoot, it's getting cold out here. It felt good when maybe because I was moving around so much. This is another persimmon or peach. I totally forgot, you guys. I will have to check that one too. And that stake is there. Okay, and this is one that may be a casualty. She may grow, but I don't think we're going to get any fruit from her. This is the one that I was explaining to you guys. When you get multi-grafted trees, that's going to give you different types of fruits on it. Make sure your whole tree come out of dormancy, because the tree was growing, but all the connected, what they call it, my head hurts, you guys, too. Y'all know I have brain fog sometimes, but the grafted trees that are on there sometimes don't come out of dormancy. So please pay attention to your tree, because this one grew, but all the grafts did not come out of dormancy. Y'all see all the grafts on there? So be mindful of that. So I'm gonna see what it does. It looks like it's trying to do something, so I'm just gonna leave it be. But I may even, I should do a scratch test. I'll probably do that tomorrow, do a scratch test. But I don't think she's completely dead. I just think that something went wrong with her. I'm not sure what, okay? So I will probably take a chance and give her a stake, maybe when if she decides to grow. But right now, I'm just gonna eyeball her right now. Okay, then we had, I forgot what was over here. So this is my 3rd casualty that we had, which was a small tree, and I think it was a peach or a persimmon, and she was a twig, and she just kept tipping over until she couldn't go no further. She couldn't take it no more, you guys. So that's what happened over here. And this is the other plum tree, which I got on sale at Lowe's. I think it was like $13. This was one of the $13 ones. So I already pushed the stake in for her. And then over here, we got Queen Let out here. She's showing out, you guys. Look what Queen Let is out here doing, the doggone thing. But she is ready. She is ready. I may have to remove the plastic to give it a little bit more room to grow, possibly. We'll see. But for the most part, she is ready to take off. Y'all see the greenery on there already? And there's her food. Let me see. I don't know. Did I go further down in there? Let's see. I probably could have went just a little bit further, but yeah, see how soft the ground is, so soft. And when you dealing with clay, this is the best time to get out there and fertilize while the ground is soft. Okay. And again, I'm sure I'm gonna come back and compost, lift up the weed barrier fabric and put some compost down and get it blended with the soil. So I'll be doing that with each one of the trees as well. This was another pear, and she looked like she's ready to take off too. I see them buds on there, so we will see. Yeah, I think the temperature dropped. I was out here moving around a lot, cleaning up and stuff. Oh, there it is. I see it. Let me get that. Hold on, you guys. You see this stake is right there. There it is. Let me get that jammed in there. So again, I will come back and put a round of compost, some cow manure on each one of them to get them off to a good start. But for the most part, look at Hero. You see what he's doing? This is his spot, you guys. See, I've been cleaning up, weeding out. Yeah, he likes to sit on top of my raised beds, but he gonna find out he ain't gonna be able to do that for a minute. Hero, say hey. Say hey, Hero. He's so sweet. Yeah, that's his thing. He sits on top of my raised beds, but I think once things get grown, he'll realize he can't do that no more. So, all right, you guys, that is an update with the mini orchard out here. And over here. All right, you guys, so y'all know the situation in the house. So I am so behind because I really wanted my trees planted. I have not been able to even order trees, to sit down long enough to order trees. So I'm real disappointed because I wanted my trees in the ground like last month, and I thought I was on it, you guys. I was on it, but then the house situation kind of set me back. But my holes and everything is still ready. I have all my compost, I have all my soil, and they ready for trees. So I am definitely still pondering if I'm gonna bring them citrus out here. I am so tempted, you guys. So we're gonna see how well they do over the summer, and we're possibly gonna get some of them in these holes. Yeah. All right, family. So that is my orchard update, and I hope everyone is doing well. Essie is getting back on the grind. I got so many fun projects that I want to bring to you. All right, you guys, so I was trying to tell you guys stay tuned in. I got a lot of neat projects that I want to bring to you guys. And I said, well, since I'm walking around out here, let me give you guys a brief look on how I am cleaning out the greenhouse. I have not been able to get in here and get my harvest like I wanted to. But let me show you guys what's been going on in here. I have not gotten to my cabbage. I still have lots of carrots growing. My broccoli got overdone. I'm so mad with myself that I did not get in here and get this broccoli. But you know what? I'm going to cut that broccoli down, and I'm going to chop it up because it's going to be wonderful for summer and spring salads with pasta. So this is not going to go to waste. Them stems, you see them stems? They getting ready to get chopped up and put in Ziploc bags. Okay, we have more carrots over here. We had kale. And again, you guys, I was not able to get to a lot of my vegetables that was growing this season. Lots of collards in here. I had a few Jurassic Parks collard greens. Y'all see that bunch right there, and just want to lean to the left. And yeah, lots of cabbage, more broccoli that I totally forgot. And I know I did a video saying I needed to get that broccoli, and I just never did. Lots of cabbage. I need to get these cabbages out, get them cooked up. More collards. Yes, lots of cabbage this season, and cabbage did really well considering them bugs. So I have to get back here and clean out a lot. I already started, As you can see, I started shifting a lot of things around. Let's see, here's a really nice one. And there is another nice one. So cabbage did very well. Better in here than it did outside. Okay? So I just pruned back my cilantro. My pineapple trees were struggling. Pineapple fruit trees, whatever y'all want to call them. They were struggling, but I can see they are trying to bounce back. And I'm probably going to prune these dead leaves off. I don't really want to pull on them. I want them to probably do what they need to do for themselves. But as you can see, this one is definitely trying to bounce back. I think once the spring, the warmth kick in, they'll do much better. But overall, over the winter, I think they hung in there. So this is what the greenhouse is looking like. And again, I need to get caught up on a lot of different things. So, all right, you guys, this is EsiK the Homesteaddah. I will see you guys on the next video. Essie is back. All right, family. Talk to you guys real soon. Peace.